Tri-band backhaul. A dedicated band between your Orbi router and satellite frees up the other two bands for maximum speed to your devices. Works with all internet providers. Replace your existing Wi-Fi router and extender separate modem or gateway required compatible with any internet provider including cable, satellite, fiber, DSL and more. Wired Ethernet port. Fast wireless speed 1 gigabit Ethernet port and AC2200 Wi-Fi powers up to 22 gigabits per second of streaming HD video gaming or internet surfing and downloads. Parental controls. Pause device internet access, view site history, usage and filter websites for free. Set online time limits, schedule device internet access and more for $499 first month free trial. Advanced cyber threat protection. NETGEAR Armor powered by Bitdefender is network-wide antivirus, anti-malware, fraud, phishing, ransomware security on an unlimited of devices for a 30-day free trial $6,999 a year. Safe, secure, loaded with advanced technology designed with MUMIMO Smart Connect for one Wi-Fi name and beam-forming technologies. Supports WPA2 wireless security protocols, includes guest Wi-Fi access, DOS, Firewall VPN and more. Easy to set up and manage. Set up Wi-Fi in minutes with the Orbi app. Manage Wi-Fi settings, test and monitor speed. Top reviews from the United States. Great connectivity. I am very pleased with my purchase. So far it has lived up to my expectations, enabling me to utilize the mesh network to the best of its ability.